okay? Because Kim had $25 of mine, and she has it. $5 for the bus. Kim took $25. I didn't do anything. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Keep laughing. Guys, this is PayPal. It's literally freezing. Yes, ma'am. It's freezing. It's very cold. It's very cold. It's very cold. And I'm up here. I need 17 for the Uber. I can't. I need to get. Oh, please. I'm freezing. This is PayPal. Please, somebody help me, please. Kim had 25 of mine. I can't. I'm not at home. I'm not at home. My hands are froze. Look how red they are. Walk all warm up. Yeah, that's funny. That's real funny. Like, I'm being dead ass serious. No. Walk where? This is PayPal. Nobody, obviously. Not even fucking Kim who took my money. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Somebody please help. This is PayPal, please. This is PayPal. Stacy Hartman 592. You're not going to, though. You guys lie to me. You're all trolls. You're all trolls. You're all trolls. You're all trolls. I'm in PA. Yeah, I'm freezing. Please help me. She had 25 of my money. She had 25. She took it. And I need help and nobody's helping me. Everybody's just lying. I'm stuck. And this is PayPal, please. They're taking me where? I'm not home. I'm not home. It's not acting. I'm freezing and upset. I'm like having a fucking mental breakdown. Wow. I don't have anybody. Nobody. No fucking buddy, dude. No, I need help on the PayPal. You just lie to me. It's lie to me. No. Because they lie. It's not a fucking game. And family, yeah, PayPal, friends and family. It's not a joke. I am cold as fuck, please. Great, I don't care. Good, get this sweet chick. She's going. I gotta get this over to the fucking detective once we're done with this crap. Once I get the fuck home. I'm freezing. I can't. I'm not home this December. I'm trying to get home. Kim kept my money. It's 20 degrees in Pittsburgh. Thank you. And thank you, Kim, for making me stand out here with no way home. You fucking bitch. You bitch. I need 17 on PayPal. PayPal, please help me, please. They're just laughing at me. You have to send it friends and family, yeah. Walk where, ma'am? I'm cold. I don't want to go anywhere else. Oh, you guys think this is such a fucking joke. Oh. Why would I go in a police car because I'm cold? Because I had the money to get home. I had the money. She sent it back to the lady on purpose to be a fucking bitch. I need 17. This is PayPal. Friends and family, Stacy Hartman 592, please. Because they don't do it. That's why I need to be. Oh my God. $10 to get home. You guys are just leaving me out in the fucking cold over $10 to get home. She sent them my money back and not answering. This isn't a joke. I'm cold. Oh my God. It's almost 7 here. Somebody please help. I'm not at that store. No, Kim's in. I didn't know. I can't walk anymore. I can't. Kim did. I had 25. dollars the lady sent me to get home. I need to get home. This is PayPal. It's 20 degrees. There's snow on the ground, and I'm stuck outside. And Kim, Rhea, I need 17. Ma'am, I told you 10 times, Miss Nicole. You'll send me nothing. Thank you so much. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. What a joke. What a joke. 17, yes. No, I don't. I need to get home. I can't hitch a ride. It's a bad area. Then don't send me a penny. Nobody's going to. I need 17. I'm out in 20-degree weather. There's the bus. There's the bus and nobody help me. None of you guys help me. Nobody. Nobody help me. Nobody help me. Nobody help me. That's what an Uber is. It's 17 to get home. I did miss it. I need the bus. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. It's 17. The bus is 325. So what is it that? 6, 7. Oh my God, my fucking hands, this air. Oh my God. Oh, the bus is $6 total. No, the bus is not free. It's 325. Thank you. Please, this is PayPal, friends and family, please. PayPal. Ma'am, I'm freezing. 17 is what the Uber is. Ma'am, I'm blocking you because you keep asking me what I need. Yes, please send 6, please. Stacy Hartman 5922. Please, somebody, please. My hands, it feels like they're fucking, I can't even feel them. I need $6 to get the bus or 17 for the Uber, please. And all I have is PayPal. Kim sent my money back. Kim sent it back for no reason. Yeah, I'm mad. I'm cold. I'm cold. And I am cold. And I am fucking pissed off. Yes. It's a me problem. All right, well, I'll stand out here and be cold. It's 375 and 375, 650, please. Oh my God, what is fucking wrong with you people? This is so fucked up. Kim, I swear to God, I'm about to do it. I'm so about to fucking do it, man. Kim's boyfriend sells dope, y'all. Kim's boyfriend sells dope, and Stephanie goes every other day and buys dope off of Kim. Every fucking other day. No, you didn't know that. Here's some more tea, right? Since she wants to keep me out in the fucking cold, and you guys won't help me get home on my PayPal, what else? Oh, the whole house does dope. Even Jody does dope. The girlfriend does dope. The whole house does dope. H. So, since I'm out in the cold and you sent my money back, bitch, and left me out in the cold, great, I'm glad you don't care. And anybody who's in her Discord will not be. I'm going to tell the police. I absolutely am. I'm going to call the Connecticut police today, absolutely. Over $25. I absolutely am. My hands are frozen off of my fucking body. And nobody fucking helped me. Not one of you motherfuckers helped me. I don't care if you guys believe me. I have proof. And I'll be showing the proof. I'll be showing the fucking proof. Now, can somebody please help me get home? Please. Yes, I still need a ride after all of that. Absolutely. It's PayPal. No, I'm not never talking to her again. She left me out here in 20-degree weather. Like, don't you understand that? 20 degrees. And there's snow on the fucking ground. And she sent the money back. That lady sent me the money to get home. $25. Walk where? None of these fucking people care. None of them. I'm turning my comments off. Turning my comments off. I need help to get home. Stacy Hartman 592. I'm gonna check the PayPal and see if I can get the fucking Uber, please, or a bus or anything. My hands are fucking frozen.
Lisa, you never even knew I was gonna fucking see that. The point of it was useless. You ever fucking make an email in his name, Dominic's name, anyone in my fucking family, Lisa? I will tear your life upside down. Test me, please. Fucking make an email ever again in anyone else's name that has to do with me, you're fucking done. Taking advantage of me every fucking day. Every day. Oh, but it's okay. I just made a fake email because I wanted to make a Discord. Like what? Make a Discord with a different email saying craft painters or asshole at AOL.com. You're right about that. Didn't have to be anyone that I know. Do you think I sit over here and make fucking emails in your family's name or your kid's name or anything? No. Your dad's name? No. I make emails. I don't give a fuck whose name. Don't use my family. Hey, I use everybody's name. Like, I'm just saying, I do. Hey, but don't use my family. Use your own family. I do, unfortunately. I guess I just remember the names better. Yeah. Because Henry Stone has everything to do with your life right now, Lisa. No. So why make the email? Because somebody found it. I was going to make a Discord, and somebody found who made it in the email. I didn't want to. So you wanted it to get blamed on Jody? Jay knew Jody wouldn't. No. Because you made the email to be manipulative. You made the email for a fucking reason, but you think I'm fucking stupid. That's what you think I am. I told you why. Even if you made the email and you use it on the Discord because you think they can't see your email and who made the Discord, that's fucked up because you can see an email if you want to. And the fact that you know you can and you would say his name is even more fucked up. Or you can probably send emails out to people pretending to be and then blame Kim for it. No, that's not. Okay, so the Heather Ray of Cash App wasn't you? No. Changing the name, an old Cash App to Heather Ray wasn't you. Because now you're starting to use people in my family for no fucking reason, making an email. How can I even believe you? I can't even trust you. I can't even do Cash App. I don't give a fuck about it. It's the point that you have an email with someone's name on it that has absolutely nothing to do with your life. You should never have that name even come out of your fucking mouth, let alone make one. Well, I wasn't going to do anything malicious with it. And I don't blame you, but I wasn't. Then you shouldn't have made it. Huh? Then you shouldn't have made it. No, I shouldn't have. I don't even know why I thought of it. You see my email, so I got all names. All names. And that bitch is making loving life and Lisa Booties and all kind of stuff now. That Looney Tunes bitch.
I don't know if you guys really heard it, but she just said basically, well, what happened was I kind of signed into an email that was supposed to be attached to, I forgot what it was supposed to be attached to. But anyways, I signed into one of her Yahoo emails, and I guess with Yahoo you can attach other emails to it. So one day I was going through my emails, and right under her email, it was Jody Stone 5 at AOL.com. And it the fuck, who are you to make an email in anyone's name but yours? So, and then she admits that she's been making emails in people's names that she can so she can remember them better, was her excuse. Because she can remember people's names better. The email is Victoria at AOL.com or fucking Jody Stone at AOL.com. That was her excuse. Because she's a conniving little cunt. I told her if she ever brought Jody up again, I'll fucking tear her life upside down. I gave her a fucking literal warning. I hope she's in here. I hope she is. Because since nothing is off limits, Lisa, do you want me to bring up the call with you and your son? Would you like that, Lisa? Is that how you want to fucking play? Because I'm down to play that way. I really am. I really fucking am. You know, my heart, like, literally, I swear to fucking God, is black. When I say I'm fucking dead inside, I don't think you fucking know the type of person I am. And you fucking took advantage of it. And now you're gonna see a side that you wish you have never fucking, like, brought to life. Literally. I cannot wait to expose everything about you. Like, your life is going to go to shambles. Every single person who has ever fucking donated to you, ever. And I feel bad. I feel bad for them. But don't think they'll ever fucking donate to you again because their names are gonna get fucking exposed. Let's see if I can find the Cole. The Cole sent me $30 so that she could take it out of the ATM for him. And it was just like sketchy and fucking weird. Like, I don't even know. The story didn't even make sense. For recording the call, she's like threatening me. And I just spoke to like whatever. I don't even care if she's threatening me at all. I really don't. If I'm getting extorted and harassed and fucking blackmailed, who wouldn't record the fucking calls? I'm sorry. I have so many calls where I'm being extorted and blackmailed that if I don't give her fucking money, she's gonna go online and do this and do that. If it wasn't my friend, it was something else. If it wasn't my family, it was something else. If it wasn't fucking, I don't even know. If it was always fucking something she was holding over my head. Always. So. Oh, the third person on the call cancels out the consent law? Well, thank God thank God for that then. But honestly, if she even tried, she would be so stupid too. To even try and go up against Jody, she would literally like ruin her entire life. I like wanna actually like just like honestly, her even threatening to arrest me for it just makes me want to just expose all the calls. Just why not? What do I have to lose?
Do it.
I mean, now Ronnie's messaging me. I really don't give a fuck what you have to say, Ronnie. Honestly, I really don't give a fuck. You don't like me anyways. Who cares? I'm not gonna sit here and get threatened by your fucking family when I get extorted by your daughter. I mean, not your daughter, your sister every single fucking day. I'm not even gonna open your message. I don't know what she's saying. I really don't give a fuck. It's gonna be some type of threat. I let this bitch walk all over me every single fucking day for a good, like, what, 8 months? Literally. There's only so many times you can let someone fucking do that shit. Before eventually you turn into a fucking raging bitch. So now every single time I answer the phone, I'm like, what the fuck do you want? What do you want? I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna go live. If you don't give me the $25, okay, go fucking live. I don't give a fuck what you do. You act like you haven't been on live yelling my name for the last 6 fucking months. The fuck out of here. I don't ever talk shit about her to anybody. Anybody. If anyone has a message of me talking shit about Lisa, expose it, because it's never fucking happened. Because I actually had fucking respect for her. But I guarantee you, if people actually came forward, which they have, there's been multiple times Lisa has always fucking ran my name through the mud. I have a bad name, not only because of my actions, but because this stupid bitch only thinks about herself and her fucking crack addiction. That's why. And Ronnie, honestly, you have no room to talk because I have so many fucking phone calls where she fucking talks so much shit about you too. Honestly, I'm like literally like trying not to involve you, but if you really want to get involved, I don't mind. I can drop them. I can drop the calls where she fucking sits there and says that. Never mind. I won't say what she says because it'll just come out and you'll hear it for yourself. You know what? This doesn't make me a horrible fucking person for releasing a call. When she sits here and fucking brings up, my fucking father-in-law, who has worked his fucking ass off his entire fucking life to be where he is today. What has he ever done for her? Done to her. Literally, nothing. He's worked his ass off to be where he is, to build his business, to fucking do everything in his life so that he can do whatever the fuck he wants, and she just sits there and throws out fucking defamation fucking lies just to do it because she's a stupid fucking bitch. So hold on, because the other sound is just fucked up, so just give me a second. It is on DMD, don't worry. There's no stopping this one. And the call already has been, it honestly already has been turned into DCF. So if you guys think I sat here silently, not fucking turning that shit in, you got me fucked up. Okay. Here it is.
And he wants them in the worst way. And I'm afraid that he is going to get fake one. Or what I'm afraid of. I would rather know that he has legit shit, right? Then is that wrong thinking like that? No, I don't think so. There's so much fake stuff going around. I'm going to add him to the call. Hold on a second. I'm going to add him to our call. I feel like if it was Dominic, I'd probably want him to tell me too. Yeah, I like that he's open with me, and I like that this is fucking him. Cole Jr. All right, here we go, Matt.
I'm sorry for the sound. I know, I can't help it.
Hello? Where you at? Where you at? At home? Well, I'll drive them over and on. I'll ask him when he gets up, honey. He's asleep? I didn't know that, my bad. It's 7 a.m. Okay, and why the fuck are you up? Honey, I have to work schedule because of the clinic. But, he's not liking the fact he has picked up work where I'm not taking drugs for my grandson. Why does it matter? I don't know, honey, because it matters. Gigi's outlook on it is the same as mine. It's we would rather make sure you get what you're gonna get than that it's gonna kill you. So that cool. If it really matters, I go buy it from someone else. Like it don't matter. No, it does matter because if you buy it from somebody else, we don't know that they're 100% real. Then tell them that. Tell them I will buy something else if it really matters. We've been telling them that it'll be fine. You guys are talking. Right? Like, if it really matters, I'll go buy something. I'll go buy more than Jay, whatever the fuck you are, stop it. I'll go buy more than like, Cole. Like, I'll kill myself. Cole. Yeah. You've seen everything that Daddy did and went through. Why would you even choose to do drugs, to be honest? Why are you not be target? What? You should not be target. I didn't do drugs. My parents didn't do drugs in front of me. Who said I was doing drugs up there? Colbert, I don't want you to get too bad. I thought you weren't taking these anymore anyway. I don't. I was going for the thrill. Colbert, I'll call you on packet, you goofer. You're really about to leave me like this? Talk. My friend Kim's on the phone. Say hi. Who? My friend Kim. Hi. How the fuck? How can I hear how can I hear two other people? Because I was crazy. I was on the phone with her and you kept texting and blowing me up, so I merged you in. Okay. Talk to Kim. What's up, Kim?
How are you?
I'm alright. How old do you think Kim is? By her voice. By her voice? Yeah. Sure, like 20 songs. Really? 20 songs? Yeah, up to like 23, 24. You want to date her? No. Oh, why? Because fuck no. Fuck that. I already got a girlfriend. You don't even know what she looks like. I already got a girlfriend.
That's good.
Oh, what happened to the girl that was pregnant or whatever? What pregnant? What are you talking about? Abby told me that you got somebody pregnant. Abby was lying. Fuck Abby. Was she really lying? Yeah. Okay, well that's good. I'm glad. I'm just saying, that's what she did tell me a while ago. I didn't know what was going on with that. Fuck that. Thank you. Well, keep it that way because you'll ruin your life like that. I mean, you love your kids, but it holds you back a lot with, what you need to do. Yeah.
That's all I'll show for now. Yeah, I'll recap. The call was mad fucking uncomfortable. I didn't think she was gonna say I was on the call. It was just basically he was looking for Klonopin, blowing up her phone. I basically said in the beginning, I guess that if Dominic was doing it as my son anyways, I'd want him to tell me, but I don't, I would want, that's like what, yeah, I don't know, it's fucking awkward. Of course I'd want my son to tell me if he's into drugs or something, but doesn't mean I would help him get them. What was like her justifying it was saying she'd rather him get the Klonopin from Gigi, which is her mom, and have Pap drive it to him or something, but he was sleeping at the time or he didn't feel comfortable doing it. The dad didn't feel comfortable doing that. And he's like, why? Just wake him up and blah, blah, blah. And she was like, well, me and Gigi, we see the same way. We think that you should get it through us, but Pap doesn't feel that way, and then he's like, fuck it then, I'll just get some lean. And then she's like, Colbert, stop that. And then, like, literally the next day, I contacted her CPS worker and already handed in the fucking call for the next court date. So if anyone thinks that I did nothing about it, you got me fucked up, because no way am I going to listen to that call and the call from the night before without turning them in, because I'm good with that. Thank you. I mean, the call was a long time, but it just sucks that it happened 4 weeks ago. So by your next court date, it should be brought up.
The money.
Listen to your fucking gaslighting me. Wow. You won't even let me use the PayPal. You're just fucking being rude as fuck because you're not fucking dope sick.
I guess so.
So you ain't being dope sick, but your whole house fucking can be fucking not dope sick, right?
Okay, Lisa. You're not even sick. You don't do dope. You do crack. You're a crackhead, not a dope head. You're on methadone. Literally, methadone helps you from withdrawing. Just because you have a craving and you want to do... Hey, just because you want to crave crack and get a hit right now, you're taking it out on me. I do not have the $20. If you want to call me names, tear up my household, say whatever you want about me online. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
You can take $20, shove it up your fucking ass.
Okay, bye. Okay, well, I told you I don't have the money.
Says behind my back, and not even behind my back, but online in front of thousands of people, which it gets replayed over and over and over again by hundreds and thousands of people. It just, whatever. Fine, yeah. I do benzos. There's gonna be a couple fucking calls I release where I look bad too. So if anyone thinks that I'm gonna be ashamed of that, I'm not. I'm not gonna be ashamed of it. I'm not gonna not like release a call just because I fucking sound like I'm zoomed out, whatever the fuck you would consider it. Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna sit here and hide my truth just because people are gonna make me, I don't know how to explain it. Like, no one's gonna make me feel embarrassed about the things I do. Like, yeah, maybe I helped her use my Cash Apps in the beginning. I let her use my PayPals. I let her use my Chime. I let her use everything. And I fucking got a really fucking bad name for it. A really bad reputation. People think I steal fucking identities. They think I fucking break into their emails and their Cash Apps, and they fucking blame me for other people getting money, and I'm just a bad influence on everyone, which is okay. I can take that heat. But I haven't let her use my fucking PayPal for a long time now. And that's why she's been using Stacy. And that's why she's been using this other woman, Christina. And
Kim, that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. You learned. It's fine.
I don't know.
Should we tell them how she used to call me up and say, Kim told me that you to give me $20 and she'll pay you back? when
Yeah,
Kim
I'd
never
be
said that because she
sleeping.
was sleeping.
I'd be sleeping, and like I think she even went online one time and was
Yeah.
like freaking out, thinking I blocked her or something, and I dead ass was sleeping. And when I'm sleeping, like I won't answer the phone for nobody. Like I don't even care. And she called Stephanie and she was like, give me $20. I don't know what else she said because I wasn't on the phone call. But and then she was like, Kim will pay you back. Like,
She was just threatening me, telling scream her usual scream crying. But I had babysat the night before and I didn't have any money and the lady didn't pay me yet. So I had to wait for her to pay me and I wasn't gonna give her the money anyway. But I would just try to explain that to her. And she kept telling me I was a liar. And I was like, how why would I be lying to you? Like, whatever. But so she was like, well, Kim told me to tell you to give me $20 and she'll pay you back. And I was like, she never said that because she's sleeping. So like you can't bullshit me, bro. So
I
yeah.
have a lot of calls to expose. A lot. Like that is literally not even a millimeter. Is a millimeter small? I don't know if a millimeter is small of the amount of calls that I have. I have over thousands of hours of calls of her not only extorting me, but fucking harassing me and call like literally just us going back and forth for hours about me saying no, about giving her money, and then, oh, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna go online and tell everybody this and that and this. And like, I might even get in a lot of trouble for some of the shit that just was on that phone call. But it up and blah 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 and um she was like, well, me and Gigi, we see the same way. We think that you should get it through us. Her what was like her justifying it was saying she'd rather anyone thinks that I did nothing about it. You got me fucked up because no way am I going to listen to that call and the call from the night before without turning them in because no, I'm good with that. Thank you. I mean, the call is a long time, but it just sucks that it happened 4 weeks ago. So by your next court date, it should be brought up. The night before that, I don't know, it just sucked because the call was on the charger at the time. Like the phone that I use, it would die a lot. So that's like one call I wish I didn't have it on the charger. I don't know when our next court date is, but if her CPS hasn't brought it up to her